Hello friends, we have just installed a head unit in Toyota Alphard second generation 2000. I think this is 2019, and we have just installed this multimedia head unit. The problem was that the customer's reverse camera wasn't working, the 360 camera system in the original one. This is a Japanese import one. So when it came after a couple of months, it came back to me that the reverse camera wasn't 360 reverse camera wasn't working. So after installing this new head unit, is also resolved that issue of reverse camera. So you can retain 360 camera system with this, and also the steering wheel control buttons, they are working as well. And your local radio stations, they are working as
Just
well.
talked him up and he bowls a pie down leg side. Thanks for helping me out, Xavier.
And also this this head unit has a wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Also we connected this USB cable which is in this glove box. We can retain that as well, which is connected to this head unit, so you can use wired CarPlay, wired Android Auto as well. We installed this head unit here in Brisbane. All around we cover Brisbane areas. So installation, either you can come at Brisbane Bronze Plain as well, and our charges are quite reasonable. We cover this under 1 year warranty, and we'll help out our customer and we'll look after for our customer. If any question or anything, just comment below or contact on our officially Facebook page if you search ampcar.Brisbane, and also ampcar YouTube page as well. We'll quite happy to answer any queries. And if more, I have almost picked up quite of canvas functions as well. So you can see if I open this right door, so you can see the information on screen there. That temperature 40 centigrade, it's also showing here as well. The same is picking up from that screen. So it's quite a good head unit, and we'll supply and install in quite reasonable prices. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.